Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. Guess what time it is? It's time to unbox my new iPhone. I went with the iPhone 11 Pro, but the smaller of the two. They have a larger one and then this one, which is the same size as the iPhone 10 and 10s. So we're going to unbox it now, and then we're going to have a full review on my main channel at lon.tv. And if you've been on the fence about upgrading your phone, I don't think there's much of a reason to upgrade these things one year to the next unless you really need the new camera features. They've been upping up the processor power and everything, but generally for most consumers, I think the camera really is the difference here between this one and the prior two top-end iPhones. And we'll have a closer look at this, of course, when we do the main review that you'll find at lon.tv. So I went with the 256 gigabyte version. It cost a huge amount of money. Partly because you really need to get that Apple Care protection in addition to the purchase of the phone itself. I am going to trade in my old iPhone 10 to shave a little bit off, so I'll get about $400 knocked off. But I think I'm into this right now before the trade-in for about $1,200 with the 256 gigabyte phone and the $200 Apple Care protection. I did make use of that on my last iPhone, my current one, because I did drop it about 8 months into ownership and was able to get it replaced for a fairly reasonable deductible. But you really need it because these things are expensive and often hard to fix. It feels a lot heavier than the iPhone 10. That's my first reaction here. It does have a real heft to it. It feels nicely constructed. The glass here on the back is frosted, so it's not shiny like the old iPhone was. So that looks pretty nice. I was thinking there was something to peel off, but there isn't. So it does have a nice feel to it. I really like the heavier weight, believe it or not. But otherwise, in my hand, it feels the same. In fact, if you look at the front of the phone, it looks almost identical to the iPhone 10. It's only until you go on the back here where you've got the 3 camera lenses that things look a little bit different. We're going to set this up very shortly and then, of course, review it. So stay tuned for that. We have our little welcome packet here with our Apple stickers. They've been including stickers with their products for years and years. This is the power adapter. Now, this has changed a little bit because this is a faster charging adapter. This uses USB-C, so you're going to be able to get faster charging speeds versus what we were seeing with the prior generation. So I'm looking forward to that, especially if you are often running your phone down and want to charge it up quickly. It supports wireless charging, but of course plugging it in with the adapter here is going to be a lot faster. Now, this is a USB-C connector here, but the phone is still using Lightning from what I can see here. So you'll need to get, I think they included in the box, a cable that will go from USB-C to Lightning, which is right there. Also included are a pair of headphones. So I have a new pair of earbuds here. These are Lightning earbuds because just like all the other older iPhones, they do not include a headphone jack. They used to include an adapter, and I'm often not finding the adapter in the box when I take these things apart and open them, but it really does not look like there's an adapter this year. So if you are looking to use your old headphones with your new iPhone, you'll need to pick up that adapter when you purchase your phone here, because I am not feeling it here in the package. And we'll go in a little bit further here, and here we have the USB-C to Lightning connector here to charge the phone. So you can still charge it with the old cables, just plugging in via regular USB, but that won't charge as fast. So you will get a faster charge here with USB-C, and it was nice to see that included in the box. And that is it. So what we're going to do is get my phone set up here. I got to make sure I get the phone in English here. I'm not sure. There we go. So we can get the right region assigned to my phone here. We're going to get everything set up. And when I am done and satisfied, I will have a review up for you all to see exactly what this new phone is all about. And there will certainly be a focus on the camera because that really is the big change with this new iPhone. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.